Have you ever dreamed of owning waterfront property in the mountains? Welcome to Franklin, North Carolina. This just over 2.5 acres located on the Cowee Creek, which is the headwater of the Little Tennessee River here in Franklin, North Carolina. With a total of 2.62 acres, site pad and driveway in place, private well, and 4-bedroom septic, this property is primed and ready to build. With full control to open up your westerly sunset views with seasonal sunrise views in the east. Like it, love it, call John Tharp team today.